In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transform a low quality image into a high quality image using this AI tool that I'm going to teach you in about a minute. So basically, you input a low quality image just like you can see right here in my screen, and the system takes it in and spits out a very high quality output like you can see right here at the right hand side of my screen. Hi guys, my name is Ernest Chooks. You're welcome to my YouTube channel where I teach about WordPress, web design, PHP script installation, and AI tools that improves productivity in our offices. So I'm gonna urge you to stick to the end of this video, and if it's worth your time, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question in between the video, also leave it in the comment section below. And lastly, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So we are going to get started just after this short break. Welcome back to the video. So I'm going to leave a link to this AI tool in the description of this video. So when you open up the link, you are going to see just the same window just as I am right here now. So first of all, we're going to test this AI tool using a poor quality image. So I move to Google and I search for poor quality human images right here, and you can see I saw a very interesting image right here. So if I click on the image, you can see that the quality of the image is really low. You can see that, right guys? So I find this image really interesting, so we're gonna experiment using this image. So I'll go back to the tool right here, and the very first thing we're going to do is to click on sign in right here. So when you click on sign in, you're going to sign in using GitHub. Okay, let's click on GitHub, sign in with GitHub. So if you don't have a GitHub account, you just go over here and go ahead and click on the create an account. So I'm just going to click the create an account, and I'm going to create a new GitHub account. So I'm assuming that you watching this, you don't have a GitHub account, but if you have a GitHub account, just go ahead and log in the previous window, right? And then you will automatically get connected. You grant permissions to the AI tool, right? Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and then fill up this form and sign up for GitHub. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the verify for the captcha right here. This is a very kind of special kind of captcha, so I'm going to click on verify, and then you can see pick on square that shows two identical objects. Okay, I'm gonna do the captcha and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, the captcha is done and you can see verified, and I'm going to click on create account. So I'm going to go to my email address right here and look for the launch code. So I'm just going to open my Gmail. Here in my Gmail, I can already see the email right here, GitHub, and I click on the GitHub email, and here right here is the code. Okay, I'm going to copy that, come back to the GitHub, and I'm going to paste that. Okay guys, we have completed the registration, and then you can see authorize replicate. So we are being prompted to authorize the AI tool that we are about to use right now. So you can see the replicate, and this is my GitHub account, and all I've got to do is to click on authorize replicate right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on authorize replicate. You are being redirected to the authorized replicate. Okay, so we are logged in already, and for you to be sure that you're logged in, you're gonna see your GitHub username over here. You can see that, right? So, and you are no longer seeing the sign in link over here. Okay, now we can go ahead and go to Google to download this poor quality image right here. So we're going to look at how the output is going to be with this image. So I'll just grab the image, save image as, and I'm just going to download this image so that I'll be able to upload it. So this is the image right here, and it's a JPEG image. I'm going to click on save. Okay, now I've saved the image, so I'll go back to the AI tool, and you can see this is the input section and this is the output section. So right here, all I have to do is just double click here. Right here you can see drop a file or click to select. So I'm just going to click to select the image, and this right here is the image. So I'll click on that and click open. So you can see that the image has been imputed. Right here you can see the input is now the image. So what's left is for me to click on submit right here. So once I click on submit, the scan is going to start and then the output will follow up. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the submit, and let's see what's going to happen, guys. Starting. Okay, let's stay back and wait. Here, guys, you can see what's going on right here. You can see the inputs and you can see the result, guys. So I think the AI tool has actually done a lot to this image. I think it has really done a lot to this image. So if you are someone that you know how to use all the sophisticated image editing softwares like Photoshop, After Effects and all that, you will know that the AI software right here has really done a lot to this image. You can see the face right here very blur, but then you can see the face right here is a lot more clearer. You can see that. So for you to get this image, you can go ahead and click on download right here. So I'm just going to click on download, and let's see the before and let's see the after as well. So I'm going to open. You can see the before right here, and you can see the one we just downloaded right now. So I'm going to click on the before to open up, and then I will also click the after right here to open up as well. So I'm going to load up the two images and keep them side by side. Okay, right, guys, you can now see the before right here, and you can clearly see the after, and you can clearly see the difference between the original image with a very low quality and the AI transformed image right here. You can see how that looks, guys. So this AI tool will help you productivity. So let's say you're working on many tasks and you need to edit an image. So even with your knowledge of all the sophisticated image editing softwares, you still need to increase productivity with this AI tool. So you can just go ahead, and it's very easy, guys. It's very easy to use. Just drag and drop and then click on submit and let it do it for you. So it only took this AI tool 2.40 seconds to generate an edited version of this image, a very much clearer version of this image. So imagine, even if you know how to use the Photoshop, it's not gonna take you 2.40 seconds. It's not even gonna take you 5 minutes to edit this image to something as clear as this, right? So guys, I think this AI tool is what's giving it time. I think it's what giving it a try, and it's even an open source software as well, so it's very much free to use. You're not going to pay anything. So I think it's worth giving it a try, guys. And you can as well share the images from here or share to Discord as well. And guys, I think this is very much awesome. So that's all I have for you in this video today. If you are sure you really enjoyed the video, I would love to see you give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question also, leave it in the comment section below. And I have a lot of content coming up, guys, so you pretty much want to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification if you are yet to do that. So I will see you in other videos. It's a goodbye for now.